What's the difference between these? This is the 5950, this is the new 3300. There's a couple differences, not a ton. I like them both. I think they're both great. If you have one of these, you're good to go. But let me tell you, if you're still on the fence shopping, what the differences are and which ones I like better. So I currently use the 5950. I've had it for a few months after using the 4100. This is the original 4100 that's actually bigger than they are now. For several years. I love the Sonicare lineup. All of them are great. All of them you can exchange any of the other brush heads that you want. So you can try out different brush heads once you've got one of the electric toothbrushes. So if you have one, you're good. I have thumbs up on all the ones that I've owned, and we've got a couple more in the household other than these. If you're shopping around for kind of their mid-range deal, you're probably gonna look at these guys and wonder, which one should I get? Why should I get this one over this one? Is there any real advantage? And here's what I think. This is overkill even for me. Some of the real fancy ones have all sorts of features that I don't know. I just want this thing to time 2 minutes and tell me when to switch to a new section of my mouth. And absolutely every single one of their toothbrushes do that. So that's my main concern. I'm not as much concerned about this gum health stuff where you can add additional timers in there. And that basically lets you brush all your teeth in the different quadrants and then go back and brush your gums. Well, I'm brushing my gums while I brush my teeth. 2 minutes is about as far as I can go, so I'm always gonna keep it on clean. The only other feature you get here that you don't get here are 3 settings for vibration. Once this is on, you can change from low, medium, and high, and it's just how hard it vibrates. You get 2 settings when you come over here. You just have to press it twice when you first start it up, and it'll go from a regular down to a little bit less vibrating. There's not a lot of difference between the two. And again, once you get used to any of these vibrations, you're gonna be good to go. If you got something like the 1100, which is what my son uses, it's just one vibration mode. And you can tell it's louder than those other two because it's kind of doing a lot more vibrating than these are. I think these are faster vibrations. That's my working theory. And this one's just a little bit more violent, but they all do a great job. So even if you have something like the 1100, you're good to go, in my opinion. Now, you also get with this a different handle. So they've upgraded or they've changed. You might not find it to be an upgrade. Their handle. You see these kind of grooves, these flat lines down through here. It's a different grip situation. Size-wise, it's a little bit smaller than this also. I like the size of this. And in fact, when my son got his 1100, I actually liked the size of this more than I liked the 5950. You're not gonna notice the difference unless you're holding them side by side. They all are pretty sleek and fine, but the 5950, there's just a little bit more bulk to it. It's not any longer, but there's just more to it. So I actually prefer the size of this. Now brush heads, I don't prefer these. You get 2 different brush heads, which if you've never tried any of these, it's worth trying out a bunch. You get the W and the I, which I couldn't even find replacements for the eyes. Maybe they're so new they don't have them listed yet. But these are just different configurations of the brush heads, or of the bristles rather. And you got these like polishing bristles inside there and real thin ones around the exterior here. And then same deal here, you have a little bit bigger clumps and everything. But neither one of these compares, in my opinion, again, to what I'm using right now, which is the C3. They make a C1, 2, and 3. I actually have all 3 of them here. C1 to the left, C2 in the middle, and C3 over on the right. You can see this is an old toothbrush. It's kind of decrepit a little bit. But these are the different configurations for the C brands, or the C lineups. I like C3 the best. This is what I'm currently using. It's substantial. It's not so hard that it's gonna hurt sensitive teeth, because I do have sensitive teeth, but this is my favorite brush head. And to me, that's the reason to go with this lineup. But again, unless you want some of these other features, you can just swap the brush heads. So it's not even a deal breaker at all. The other reason that I went with this was that you get this travel case with the package that I got. And that's something to look at if you can find a little package deal. But both of them are great. I like them a lot. I like the matte black. And again, I do like this handle a little bit better. The features here, I thought I might, tweak to my liking a little bit more. I end up just middle of the road on the setting anyway. Charging wise, they both fit on the same charger. Same with the brush heads. All of the toothbrushes are compatible with the same charger throughout the lineup. Hope that's helpful for you. If it was, click the thumbs up button so other people can find this, and I hope you have a good one.